Have you forgotten the password of the online banking service of ICICI Bank? If you have, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the online banking service of ICICI Bank. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.icicibank.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of ICICI Bank. Now at the top of the screen you'll be able to see an option Login. Hover your mouse over there and then go to Personal Banking. Now you'll be able to see User ID option. Click on it. After that, you'll be asked for your user ID and password. Now, to reset your password, you need to tap on Get Password option right here. To generate your password, you'll have to follow the provided 3 simple steps. You need to enter your user ID and registered mobile number to receive a one-time password on your mobile. You need to validate the one-time password received on your registered mobile number with the grid card authentication, which is on the reverse side of your debit card. After that, you need to generate new password and then you can explore 300 plus banking services. So to continue, click right here. Now enter your user ID and enter your registered mobile number. Once you have done that, click on Go. After that, follow the further instructions provided, and finally, you'll be able to reset the password of the online banking service of ICICI Bank. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.